Okay. All right, so as far as the homework goes,
As far as what? I'm sorry.
homework,
Yeah,
did you have any questions?
I don't think so. No.
Okay, let me get my notes here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the test,
Okay.
quiz, whatever. Okay, so finding margin of error.
So that's
Just
equals the z-score times the standard deviation over the sample size, or divided by the sample size, right?
so just z times that, right?
Right. So, but we need the 90% z-score, which is,
It is
where is it at?
it's 1.645.
Okay, so they have it rounded off as 1.65 on the lesson. I don't know.
Okay.
But,
All right.
um,
Times 50 over the square root of 25.
right.
So wouldn't it be just 16.5?
Probably. I haven't working it through. 50 divided by 25. Yeah, 16.5. Is that what you said?
Yeah. Okay.
The following statement is true. I have no clue.
Okay. Let's see what I have written. X bar estimates mu.
So that would be it.
So that would be my third one.
Okay, let me just write that down.
And S estimates standard deviation. That one's not there. So I think it's C.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the lower? A minus in this case.
So is this just, we just have to do the confidence level then, right? The X bar plus or minus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so when we find the lower limit, we do minus. And so I've got for X bar, it's 526 minus 1.96 times 113 over the square root of 64. Are those all the right numbers in the right place?
Sigma, yep.
Okay.
I always forget to do the multiplication last.
Okay.
So I don't know. I got negative 22.425. Did I do that wrong?
No, that's not what I got. Okay, so
I mean,
526 minus 1.96 times 113 over the square root of 64. Is that right?
yeah, I think I did something here.
Okay, so I did the fraction part of it first.
Right, and that's
And
blunt.
I got
I think I put in 5.26. So just
okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I did. 498.315.
Oh, I didn't get that either. Did you do plus or minus?
Did minus.
I did too, and I got 510.32.
Okay, let me rework it one more time.
Okay, so square root of 64 is 14.125. And then when I
The square root
divided,
of 64 is 8, isn't it?
why am I getting that? Square root of 64.
Well, you're due because
It is 8. You're right.
okay, so but divided by 113 is 14.125.
Oh, yeah, that's what I got.
So then you multiply that by 1.96.
Uh-huh. And I got 15.68.
Why am I getting, I'm getting 27. So are you, okay, I know what I'm doing. I just figured it out.
No, you're
520, huh?
You're right.
Okay,
Because I got 1.96 times 14.125, right?
right.
And then I got 27.685. Yeah, you're right.
And then you do 526 minus 27.685 equals 498.315.
Yep.
Okay.
498.315. Okay.
And now for the upper, we have
Uh,
be the
Five.
same thing, 526, but plus 27.685, right?
Right.
26 plus.
And I got 553.685.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
So I was, and if she increased the sample size, smaller sample interval level is smaller. So if she's increasing it, then it's going to be smaller, right?
So decrease, right?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
as sample size increases, width decreases.
right.
Okay. If the confidence interval was 99, so confidence interval goes up, then the width goes up. So increase, right?
Right.
Okay.
So for the confidence interval, it goes the same. So if it gets bigger, so does the confidence interval. And then with the sample, it's opposite. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just trying to figure out a way to memorize that because all this wording,
Mm-hmm.
it drives me nuts.
Okay. Level of confidence and confidence interval do the same thing.
Right. So confidence samples opposite.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Brightbulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy. They know the standard deviation is 400.
Okay, so
95 is what? I need to memorize the percentages to it.
1.96 times 400 over, what's M? That's the margin of error. Oh, 50. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
$110.874.
Oh, no, that's not what I got.
Okay, so are you just using, because we were trying to find the sample size. Oh, I was doing it for the mean. What
So
what formula are you using?
it's the Z times standard deviation over margin of error squared.
Squared. Okay, so that I just missed the last part.
Okay.
So let me redo it.
Yeah, I'm going to redo it too.
Sorry. Oops, did the wrong one, sorry. So did you get 12,293?
No, what are we doing wrong? Okay, so Z is, let's make sure I did the right
I'll
number.
just see. My problem is I'm much slower than you. So
No. Well, yeah, but I'm not getting it right.
This is what I mean. Like I am much slower than you. So now that I found where I can actually see the formula on my paper, I just found it. I was multiplying the entire z-score times the standard deviation over the mean. Does that make sense?
Oh, yeah.
So that's my problem. So
Okay.
I'm just slower than you.
No. Because I'm not getting it right. The last one we both got it wrong.
1.96 times 400 divided by, does this say what the mean is?
The margin of error is 50 hours. So divided by 50.
Okay. All right. So
What'd you get there?
hold on, I'm typing it in now.
Okay.
$84 divided by 50. 245.862.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. I was just totally using the wrong formula.
And then you have to round to the, okay, let's see, round up to the nearest whole number.
So it needs to be 246.
Mm-hmm.
And part of my problem here too is because I was working on that lesson 11. It's really similar to this one, except for just some tweaks that I have. When I move on to the next thing, I just kind of lose focus of what's really going on without having to sit and kind of pick apart all the examples. Okay.
Okay. That's a lower limit.
So X bar minus z-score multiplied by the standard deviation over the square root
Of n.
of n. Okay, so
that would be
111,000 minus what percent are we trying to do? 5, so 1.96 multiplied by 36,730 divided by
square root of 36.
Okay, it's a lot of numbers.
Yeah, a lot of big numbers. Okay. Whoops.
All right, so I got 99,001.533.
Okay, I'm not done yet. Hold on.
Okay.
0.46. Okay, say what you got again.
99,001.
Yep.
0.533.
Yeah.
Okay. But
Okay.
So you just go up to 99,002.
Yep.
Okay.
Too many zeros, girl.
Many zeros there.
I did the same thing. Okay.
Then it should just be 111,000 plus the 11,998, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So 122,998.
46. So that should be 122,999.
No, I just put 8.
Well, I think when these are there because they're sample numbers. Do you remember where they said because they need that third of a person? Or was that from lesson 11?
I have no idea.
Add it in. Does that
Okay.
does that make
I
sense?
don't remember. Yeah, it makes sense. I just don't remember it.
Okay, that might be from the new lesson. So I don't know. You can totally do 98 if you want.
Okay. I'm going to put 99 in.
Okay. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. So they need to do a simple random sample.
Mm-hmm. It has to be normally, yeah, all of them.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Is that it?
Yes. Okay, I'm going to press submit.
Yep. I got 100.
Okay, hopefully I did too. I got everything.
Good.
Oh, I missed one. Shoot, number 3.
Oh, what was number 3?
The margin of error. I put 16.5. What was it supposed to be?
Hold on, it just clicked off of it and then it. What number? 3?
Mm-hmm.
I put 16.45.
Oh, I put 16.5. So
Oh, why was that? Why was it different?
I don't know.
Maybe you rounded and I didn't. What was that? Okay, margin of error. I must have written it down right here. Oh, I did.
So when you're using the 90%, you're using 1.645 as the z-score?
I didn't when I figured it. I have 16.5 written down. Oh, and then I changed. Oh, yeah. I did put 1.645 because that's what I had written down next to 90%. What do you have written down?
1.65. But I must have missed it somehow. So that's where I got the different.
Huh. I wonder why that one isn't rounded while the others are. Like they're only to 2 decimal places, but 90 is to 3.
Yeah, I don't know. That's all right. I'm not going to cry about it. Like I said.
I'm here if you want to cry.
As long as I pass this class, I don't care. I mean, like, come on, we're almost halfway through here. After this week, we'll be halfway through. I'll be good. So, like, the week of the February 23rd, which is a Tuesday, I can meet. But then I'll be in Disney World all the way till, like, that next Tuesday morning. So maybe we can push our meeting off till Wednesday because we don't actually have to turn it in till Wednesday or even Thursday. I wonder if I email her ahead of time and ask for permission to do that, just to have our meeting that Thursday, March 2nd or 3rd, both of our meetings.
So when you're going to be gone from the 24th?
Right. So it'll only affect us, like, if we keep on doing our 2 meetings on Tuesdays, it'll only affect us that 1 week, the very first week of March. But if we can meet Thursday instead of Tuesday, if I get permission from her to post both.
Oh, yeah, that'll be just fine. Okay, so I need to make note that I have to have, on the 23rd, we have to have both lessons done so we can just do them.
Yeah.
And the next week, well, and next week, because I'm going to be gone next Thursday.
Okay. So I've been trying to get it all done by Tuesdays anyway, so we should be fine.
Yeah. Well, I've been trying to get it done too, just this week didn't happen.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Okay. So for the next 3 weeks, we'll try to do everything on Tuesday. Well, except for that week of March. We'll do it on, you want to do it on Wednesday or Thursday?
If we can do it on Thursday, that'll guarantee that I can get it all done.
Okay. Yeah, ask her if that's okay and then let me know.
Yeah, I'll email her and I'm sure she'll say. She's pretty low-key. I don't know why it would be a big deal.
Yeah.
So, okay, cool. Thanks, Kaylee.
Hey, thank you.
Bye. Thursday. Okay.